Because I don't want to, you know, because I have now kind of a flow extender, and I'm thinking what I can do with those colors to use that to save the canvas. So it's been a long time since I did those just pours over the cup bottom, so I will just grab these two little cups and start layering the paints in. Whoop. So I will start with this sky blue light. And Prussian. There is no silicone, so, but I just want to layer them like that, and some aqua and some white. And yellow. And iridescent blue-green. And cyan. And I will repeat that. And I will just dip here in the middle. It's kind of a butterfly. Let's stretch this over the edge yet. Okay. I really don't mind if I will keep some of the background that it was from the scrape off pour. Have to go over. Wow, I really start to love this. I want to stretch those lines. So as I said, I don't mind to keep some of that black there. I'm just looking to the composition, and I just want to bring a little more of this part like down, or how can I say? Okay. Now I will go back to the middle. Okay, I'm done. But now I don't like that black part, so I will tilt it off. Okay. And now I'm really done. Just back to the middle. And a little walk to that side. I'm done. Love it. So, wow, I really love it. So here is a close-up. I really love this painting. I'm glad that I did this kind of pour again. I didn't do it for quite some time, but really, really, really love this. I love the composition, I love the colors, I just love everything about it. So this is one of the paintings that I'm totally in love, because I love those colors. They are kind of my colors, and I love all those lines and this transparency here and the sides and just everything. Here may be a little weird because I did have a background. I love this. I wouldn't mind if I would have more of this background, but since I tilt the most off just a little here, it's kind of okay. And I see somebody with 2 legs and maybe a wings or something. I think that this painting would be really nice in some room for a baby. And this way is a fish. So weird. So this is it for today. Tell me in the comments if you share my enthusiasm, and see you on the next one. Bye.